Hello everyone! Well, today is the announcement of our winner for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm not doing it on Rafflecopter or whatever that's called. I'm doing it the old way. So everyone's name is in here. This is going to be really quick. As you see, I can't tell who is who in here. I made sure I folded them up really good. Oops, oops, whoops, whoops. One fell out, one's back in. I'm just going to shake them up real good. Okay, I'm going to reach in and I can't tell. This one. This is our winner. Stacy Whithouse. I don't know if that's going to focus. Is it? Stacy Whithouse. You have 1 week to get a hold of me. My email address is artzology, artzology @gmail.com. I need your full name, first name, last name, address, so that I can get this shipped off to you. So, Stacy, thank you so much, and everyone else for entering. Stacy Whithouse is our winner. Thanks everyone. Take care. Love you all. Bye now.